Good morning, students. Yesterday we started tissues and we were discussing about plant tissue, in which I have told you that plants have two types of tissue, meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. We did about meristematic tissue, that are dividing tissue, and then we have started permanent tissue. Permanent tissues are those cells which have lost their capability to divide. जब कोई सेल डिवाइड होना बंद कर देता है, then they have definite shape, size and thicknesses. So that is known as permanent tissue. Permanent tissues are of two types: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Further, simple permanent tissue are of two types: protective tissues and supporting tissue. So let us discuss about simple permanent tissue. Now, simple permanent tissues are those tissues which are made up of same types of cells. मतलब जिनके सेल जो हैं सेम टाइप के हों, उनकी कंस्ट्रक्शंस और फंक्शंस क्या हों, सेम हों, that are known as simple permanent tissue. They are of two types: protective tissues and supporting tissue. Protective tissue, epidermis and cork. And in supporting tissue, we have three categories: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. First of all, we discuss about supporting tissue, and this I have told you there are three types: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. So first of all, parenchyma. It is thin-walled cell composed of living cells. ये जो है थिन वॉल वाले सेल से बनता है. इनके बीच में स्पेस होता है और इनमें जो सेल्स होते हैं, कौन से सेल्स होते हैं? लिविंग सेल्स. What type of cells they had? Living cells. It is thin-walled cell composed of living cells, oval and spherical in structure. It has large central vacuoles. इनके बीच में क्या है? लार्ज वैक्यूल्स है. तो इनकी लोकेशन कहाँ है? फाउंड इन लीव्स, पिच ऑफ स्टेम्स एंड रूट्स. लोकेशन, leaves, pitch of stems and roots, and function. As they had vacuoles, so storage of food can be done in this, provide turgidity to the cells, photosynthesis, wound repair and new growth, buoyancy control in aquatic plants. More about parenchyma. As if I have told you that parenchyma cells are made up of very thin walls. So they are oval in shape or spherical in shape, but when they combine to each other, and they can be flattened easily also. So when they grow, they have in their cell chloroplast. If they had chloroplast, they have very nice green color and they go for photosynthesis. And those type of cells are known as chlorenchyma. And if they do not have chloroplast, so they don't have green color and they do not go for photosynthesis. And then vacuole is large and they store food and water inside. And if the space is more, in that space air is filled, and then if the air filled is more, they are known as arenchyma, which air spaces, filled air, gives them the quality of buoyancy, means they can float in water, like the plants, lily plant, which can float in water. Next is collenchyma tissue. These tissue have thicker walls as compared to the parenchyma. And if we see from side view, the top view is like this. if we see from side, they had uneven walls. The cells of these tissues are living, they had living cells as the parenchyma has, and elongated and irregularly thickened at the corners. They have, as irregularly thickened means they have uneven walls, and they have very less intercellular space. The intercellular space in parenchyma is more. Therefore, collenchyma, it forms filler tissue in soft parts of plants present in cortex, pitch primary stem and roots. It is found below epidermis. Cell of these tissues are living, wall thickened at corner. What are functions? They provide flexibility to the plant's part, also provide mechanical support, filling the vacant place. Supporting tissue is sclerenchyma. It's made up of dead cells, as parenchyma and chlorenchyma are made up of living cells, but it is made up of dead cells, and its strengthening tissue composed of extremely thick walled made up of lignin. इसकी जो वॉल्स हैं एक स्पेशल सब्सटेंस से बनती हैं, दैट इज़ नोन एज लिग्निन, विच गिव्स स्ट्रेंथ टू दिस सेल or tissue. They are present in stems, around vascular bundles, in the veins of leaves and hard covering of seeds and nuts. जो nuts वगैरह की कवरिंग में होते हैं वो हमारे कौन से टिश्यू होते हैं? sclerenchyma. This is the longitudinal view and this is the transverse view. So its function is provide strength to the plant part. This is all about supporting tissue, as if I have told you that simple tissue are of two types, supporting tissue and protective tissue. In the category of protective tissue, we had epidermis and cork. Epidermis, it is the outermost layer, single cell layer of plant organ such as leaf, flowers, roots, etc. कोई भी प्लांट का जो पार्ट है उसके ऊपर एक सिंगल सेल की लेयर होती है, उस लेयर को हम क्या बोलते हैं? आउटर कवरिंग होती है, उस कवरिंग को बोलते हैं हम एपिडर्मिस, एंड इट इज़ covered with a substance क्यूटाइल, एंड दिस लेयर इज़ वाटरप्रूफ, कि प्लांट के ऊपर अगर लीव्स के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा पानी गिरता है तो वो उसको क्या है, सेव करती है पानी से डैमेज होने से. नाउ दिस एपिडर्मस हैव स्मॉल पोर्स ऑन इट्स सरफेस. लीव्स के ऊपर जो कवरिंग है, एपिडर्मस की कवरिंग है, इसके बीच में क्या होते हैं? स्मॉल पोर्स होते हैं, और उन पोर्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? स्टोमेटा. यू हैव स्टडीड. So these pores are called stomata, and these are enclosed by two kidney shaped cells called guard cells. So functions of epidermis: it protects the plant from desiccation and infection. Cutile cuts the rate of transpiration of evaporation of water. इसके ऊपर जो क्यूटाइल की लेयर होती है वो एक्सेस वाटर को, बहुत ज़्यादा पानी को बाहर भी नहीं जाने देती और बाहर वाले पानी को अंदर भी नहीं आने देती. एंड स्टोमेटा अलाउज द एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस ड्यूरिंग photosynthesis, and stomata also help in transpiration. This is stomata and this is covered by the guard cells. and this layer is known as epidermis. Protective tissue is cork or phloem. It is made up of dead cells with thick walls and do not have intercellular space. Cell wall in cork deposit waxy substance called suberin, and the cell wall is impermeable. Impermeable means it do not allow any substance to go inside. It do not have any protoplasm. It is present on roots, outermost layer of roots and stem. Functions of cork or phloem: it prevents plants from infection or mechanical injury. It is shock absorber, insulator for the plants. शॉक एब्जॉर्बर मीन्स अगर कोई बहुत ज़ोर से हिलाता है तो उसको सेव करता है. इंसुलेटर फॉर द प्लांट्स: इट insulates means it protects the plants from outermost in the environment changes. बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी है, बहुत गर्मी है, means that change in temperature. It acts as a insulator and provides toughness to the plant. Cork used in making of sports goods like cricket ball, table tennis, wooden paddles, etc. In this, the most important question in this part is write the difference between parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma.